Always second guessing what's left, wouldn't answer questions. Fuck a 9 to 5 and you try to make this my job. It's my art, my creative mind, everything you not and won't ever experience, cause you ain't as intelligent. Open your mind and understand the world that we living in. Titles really mean nothing unless behind them is millions. Then again, half these rich motherfuckers who think they're brilliant either ends up killing themselves or they go delirious. Damn, that shit's serious. I guess money is venomous. I bet all of my enemies are jealous of my excellence. Contracts like holy testaments, writing the bars of Exodus. Always afraid to sign my life and create a mind. If you only in it for now, then you ain't a part of my life. You gotta be in it for dreams. You gotta be planting seeds. You gotta take time to grow. You gotta take time to breathe.
Through the darkness there is light. I do what helps me through the day. You ain't never ever gotta worry, cause everything's gonna be okay. And I promise there's a better place if you tough it out through the rain. It's a blessing from above that I'm doing what I love. I never thought I'd feel this.
Y'all people been lacking knowledge. I'm gratefully paying homage to people who making honest living, grinding for them dollars while working up on that grape shit. And you ain't even pay shit. Embrace the face of everyone up in this nation. An argument ain't a legit argument unless it's backed up. Ignorance is bliss, gotta learn your facts, bruh. And one day get your stacks up and learn that this life ain't what it seems. Man, this life is but a dream upon the internet streaming. And I ain't rowing the boat, I ain't got nowhere to go. Ain't no one slowing the smoke that